Be strong.
Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome once again to another vlog. Today, I'm about to try a little Caesar pizza in the Dominican Republic. My first time trying this pizza, and I'm going to give you my honest response about the taste of this pizza. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, Frankie. I thought the pizza in Jamaica, little Caesar pizza, was very tasty. This one is the bomb. It is very moist on the inside, flavorful, and the crust is so delicious. I must say, bonus or repeat bonus for the person who eats this. It's a good pizza. The only thing that I would actually say about this pizza, I'm tasting a slight salty taste, don't know why. That's the only thing, but I will give this pizza like 8.58 out of 10. And the main reason is because I'm tasting a salty flavor. This is good. Crust is good. This is good. Really enjoying this pizza. You like it? My first time trying pizza. I'm going to try another slice. And if you know, like I said just now, I'm tasting a slight salty flavor whenever I actually chew on the pizza. So I'm going to taste another slice and let you know. Yeah, I'm still tasting the salty flavor. So, perhaps, I don't know. If the person actually was preparing the pizza and actually overdid something, so apart from that, I would give this pizza an 8.8 out of 10. Pizza in this Dominican Republic, to be exact, Sanford, I almost got distracted. I feel like I'm in an earthly heaven. And because I'm not being blasphemous. But it's good. Very, very good. Very good. Mm-hmm. on all of these slices. So I'm just gonna actually allow my son to delve in. So as usual, please like, share, and of course subscribe. If you're willing to grow this channel, thank you and have a wonderful afternoon.